Unsa na to pag-ingon sa English kung maingon ta og purya-buyag? Purya-buyag is commonly used as a superstitious phrase to ward off bad luck or the evil eye when someone compliments something or someone. It is said to avoid jinxing or bringing harm after speaking positively about someone's health, beauty, or success. Naay mga lain-laing phrases nga imong magamit depende sa situation. Kung mudayeg ka about sa cuteness sa isa ka baby, pwede kang maingon og knock on wood, may nothing bad happen. God forbid anything bad happen. Example sentences are, the baby is so cute, knock on wood. Such a cute baby, may nothing bad happen. What a beautiful baby, God forbid anything bad happen. Kung modaig ka sa good health sa isa ka tao, pwede gihapon ka mo gamit og knock on wood or hope it stays that way. Examples are, grandma is always healthy, knock on wood. Lola's still strong at her age, hope it stays that way. Kung mo comment pud ka sa success or fortune sa uban, pwede gihapon ka mo gamit og knock on wood or not to jinx it. Examples are, their house is beautiful, knock on wood. They have such a lovely home, not to jinx it. Kung i-praise pud nimo ang ka-bright sa isa ka bata, still you can use knock on wood or may that continue. Examples are, your child is so smart, knock on wood. What a bright kid, may that continue. So regardless of what type of comment you're making or saying, it seems like knock on wood ang pinaka-common sa tanan. Of course, you can still use the other phrases, depende na lang sa situation. Okay, kini man good nga phrase kay mga Pilipino lang man ang nagagamit. Other races like Americans, if you compliment them, they will just say thank you. Sa Pilipinas, dili pud tanan kay naa mo jud mga tao nga dili mo tuog buyag. So when it comes to saying purya buyag, use this phrase sparingly, dili kanunay.